everyone, welcome to Literature Learners. This is the second part of the video series of literary movements. So the first topic which we are going to discuss is Beat Generation. Beat poetry emerged from the disillusionment and frustrations that came from the World War II. Jack Kerouac introduced the phrase Beat Generation in 1948. They were the groups of American writers in post-World War II era. Its origin can be traced to Columbia University. And these poets were interested in changing consciousness and defying conventional writing. Actually, they had a kind of marginalizing and oppressing attitude towards women. The members of Beat Generation are Allen Ginsberg, Jack Kerouac, William S. Burroughs, Gregory Corso, Lawrence Ferlinghetti, Neal Cassady, Carl Solomon, John Holmes, Joyce Johnson, Ken Kesey, Richard Brautigan, Gary Sinder. Bloomsbury Group. The founder of Bloomsbury Group are Virginia Woolf and her sister Vanessa Bell. It remained active during 1907 to 1930. They were the group of writers, artists and intellectuals from the Bloomsbury district of London. They openly rejected the old Victorian ideas and preferred to live in free, liberal and progressive manners. They openly rejected the old Victorian ideas and preferred to live in free, liberal and progressive manners. Campus novel. Campus novel, also known as academic novel. Main action is set in and around the university campus. So the genre appeared in the early 1950s. They exploit the closed world of university. Actually, the campus novel were mainly about the student's life and the teacher's life. And it gained worldwide readership. The members of campus novel are Angus Wilson, David Lodge, Malcolm Bradbury. Campus novel mainly focuses on intellectual pretensions and human weaknesses. Some examples of campus novel are Changing Places by David Lodge, Lucky Jim by Kingsley Amis. Chicago poets. They flourished during the period of 1912 to 1925. This period is also known as Chicago Literary Renaissance. They were born or living in Chicago. They brought little magazines like Poetry, Little Review, Friday Literary Review and The Dial. And these magazines brought the writers like Ezra Pound, Yeats, Joyce, Lawrence to the American literary scene. The members of Chicago poets: Carl Sandburg, Vachel Lindsay, Edgar Lee Master, Harriet Monroe. Dark Romanticism. It was 19th century American movement and it was a reaction to transcendentalism. They focused on themes of grief, insanity, criminality and grotesque. Some examples of dark romanticism: Nathaniel Hawthorne's Scarlet Letter and some of the poems of Edgar Allan Poe. Some dark romantics are Edgar Allan Poe, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Herman Melville, George Lippard. Confessional poetry. It emerged in America in 1950s. Confessional poets wrote on personal and forbidden themes of death, trauma, depression, suicide, relationships. The term was first used by Emil Rosenthal in the review of Robert Lowell's poetry book, Life Studies. In the book Life Studies, Robert Lowell revealed the struggles with his mental illness and troubled marriage. The members of confessional poetry are Robert Lowell, Sylvia Plath, John Berryman, Anne Sexton, Allen Ginsberg, W. D. Snodgrass. Of confessional poetry are Robert Lowell's Life Studies, Next topic we have is existentialism. It became popular after World War II. It opposes positivism and rationalism. It worked on theory existence precedes essence. It exhibits absurdity. It means that it is not essential that good things will happen with good and bad things will happen with bad people. Anything can happen with anyone. We find existentialism in the works of Albert Camus' The Stranger. This story is all about an ordinary man unwittingly drawn into a senseless murder. Camus explored that he termed the nakedness of man faced with the absurd. The Plague by Albert Camus. This novel is about a story of a plague sweeping the French Algerian city of Oran. It asks a number of questions relating to the nature of destiny and the human conditions. Some important themes of existential works are importance of individual, importance of choice, anxiety regarding life, death, contingencies, and extreme situations, meaning and absurdity, atheism and religion. Some important existentialist writers are Eugene Ionesco, Franz Kafka, Soren Kierkegaard, Simone de Beauvoir, Samuel Beckett, Charles Bukowski, Friedrich Nietzsche, Jean-Paul Sartre, Albert Camus, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Martin Heidegger. The next one we are going to discuss is fashionable novelist. The novels belong to the period of 1820 to 1845. They depicted the life of noble, stylish, and upper class. William Hazlitt coined the term in an article on the school dandy, and these fashionable writers are also called silver folk writers. Some of the silver folk writers and fashionable writers are Benjamin Disraeli, Theodore Hook, Catherine Gore, Edward Bulwer Lytton. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us.